Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream like Amul cream, only way. Chill 500 ml heavy cream until very cold, then whip on medium speed until soft peaks form. Fold in 2 tablespoons milk powder and 1 tablespoon condensed milk for stability and flavor, mixing gently until glossy. Store chilled in an airtight container for at least 2 hours for serving. Bring all ingredients and tools ready. Heavy cream, milk powder, condensed milk, chilled bowl, whisk, or mixer. Start by measuring 500 ml cream and 2 tablespoons milk powder, then adjust to taste. Use a metal bowl and cold beaters for best whipping, and beat to soft peaks before adding powder and condensed milk. Fold gently until smooth and glossy, then chill to firm the texture before using in recipes. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, robot face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It's oddly satisfying for kitchen crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate the support. Small upgrades like this save time and keep your workspace tidy, which helps when making cream. Now let's get back to the video. Start whipping on low to build body, then increase to medium speed to finish and achieve a silky texture. Stop at soft to medium peaks to keep cream spreadable and avoid a grainy finish. For added stability, fold in 1/4 cup chilled mascarpone or 1 teaspoon dissolved gelatin, and always use cold tools and ingredients. Taste and adjust sweetness, then refrigerate and use within 3 days for best results for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.